Welcome to our comprehensive tutorial on Bitcoin, the revolutionary digital currency that has taken the financial world by storm. In this video, we'll dive deep into the workings of Bitcoin, exploring how it operates on a decentralized network and the technology behind it, known as blockchain. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced investor looking to refine your strategies, this tutorial is designed to engage and inform you. We'll cover essential topics such as the various investing strategies you can adopt when dealing with Bitcoin, from long-term holding to day trading. Additionally, we'll discuss Bitcoin ETFs, a popular investment vehicle that allows you to gain exposure to Bitcoin without directly owning it. Understanding Bitcoin is more crucial than ever in today's digital economy, where traditional financial systems are evolving rapidly. As more people and institutions embrace cryptocurrencies, knowing how to navigate this landscape can open up exciting investment opportunities. So, whether you're curious about how to start investing in Bitcoin or looking to enhance your existing knowledge, this video is for you. Join us as we unravel the complexities of Bitcoin and empower you to make informed investment decisions in this dynamic market. Let's get started. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is a revolutionary digital currency that operates on a decentralized network, allowing users to send and receive payments without the need for traditional banking systems. Unlike conventional currencies, Bitcoin is not controlled by any central authority, which means it offers greater independence and security for its users. This decentralized nature is one of the key features that sets Bitcoin apart from other forms of money. At the heart of Bitcoin lies blockchain technology, a distributed ledger that records all transactions across a network of computers. This ensures transparency and security, as each transaction is verified by a network of nodes, making it nearly impossible to alter past records. Additionally, cryptography plays a crucial role in securing transactions and controlling the creation of new bitcoins, further enhancing its reliability. In the context of digital finance, Bitcoin has emerged as a significant player, enabling fast and low-cost global transactions. It allows individuals to transfer value across borders without the hefty fees and delays associated with traditional banking methods. As more businesses and individuals adopt Bitcoin, its role in the global economy continues to grow, paving the way for a new era of financial freedom and innovation. Understanding Bitcoin is essential for anyone looking to navigate the evolving landscape of digital finance. How Bitcoin works. Bitcoin transactions are processed through a decentralized network of miners who play a crucial role in verifying and validating each transaction. When a user initiates a transaction, it is broadcasted to the network where miners compete to solve complex mathematical problems. This process, known as mining, not only confirms the transaction, but also adds it to a block of transactions that will be linked to the existing blockchain. Once a miner successfully solves the problem, the new block is added to the blockchain, and the transaction is considered complete. The blockchain itself is a secure and transparent ledger that records all Bitcoin transactions in chronological order. Each block contains a unique cryptographic hash of the previous block, creating an unbreakable chain. This structure ensures that once a transaction is recorded, it cannot be altered or deleted, providing a high level of security and trust for users. To manage their Bitcoin, users utilize digital wallets, which can be software-based or hardware-based. These wallets store the user's private and public keys, allowing them to send and receive Bitcoin securely. The private key is essential for authorizing transactions, while the public key serves as the address where others can send Bitcoin. Understanding how Bitcoin transactions work, along with the role of blockchain and wallets, is vital for anyone looking to engage with this innovative digital currency. Investing in Bitcoin can be an exciting venture, but it's essential to approach it with a clear strategy. One of the primary methods for purchasing Bitcoin is through cryptocurrency exchanges, such as Coinbase, Binance, or Kraken. These platforms allow users to buy Bitcoin using traditional currencies like USD or EUR. Alternatively, peer-to-peer platforms like Local Bitcoins enable users to buy Bitcoin directly from other individuals, often providing more flexible payment options. Before diving into the world of Bitcoin, conducting thorough research is crucial. Understanding market trends, the technology behind Bitcoin, and the overall cryptocurrency landscape can help you make informed decisions. Additionally, risk management is vital when investing in cryptocurrencies, as the market can be highly volatile. Setting a budget, diversifying your investments, and using stop-loss orders can help mitigate potential losses. When it comes to investment strategies, you can choose between long-term holding and short-term trading. Long-term holding, often referred to as hodling, involves buying Bitcoin and keeping it for an extended period, betting on its future appreciation. This strategy requires patience and a belief in Bitcoin's long-term potential. On the other hand, short-term trading involves actively buying and selling Bitcoin to capitalize on price fluctuations. This approach demands a keen understanding of market trends and technical analysis. By choosing the right strategy and staying informed, you can invest in Bitcoin effectively. Bitcoin ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are investment vehicles designed to provide exposure to Bitcoin without the need for direct ownership of the cryptocurrency. Essentially, a Bitcoin ETF tracks the price of Bitcoin and allows investors to buy shares of the fund on traditional stock exchanges. This structure makes it easier for individuals and institutions to invest in Bitcoin, as they can do so through their existing brokerage accounts, just like any other stock or ETF. One of the primary advantages of investing in Bitcoin ETFs is the convenience they offer. Investors do not need to worry about the complexities of managing a digital wallet or securing their private keys. Additionally, Bitcoin ETFs can provide diversification, as they may hold a basket of assets related to Bitcoin, reducing the risk associated with direct investment. However, there are also disadvantages. Bitcoin ETFs typically come with management fees, and they may not perfectly track the price of Bitcoin due to factors like tracking errors and fund expenses. Several notable Bitcoin ETFs are available in the market, including the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF and the Valkyrie Bitcoin Strategy ETF. These funds have garnered significant attention and have shown varying performance based on market conditions. Understanding Bitcoin ETFs can be a valuable addition to your investment strategy, offering a way to participate in the cryptocurrency market with added convenience and security. In this video, we've explored the fascinating world of Bitcoin, covering its fundamental concepts, how it works, and the various investment strategies available. We discussed the decentralized nature of Bitcoin and the technology behind it, including blockchain and cryptography. We also delved into effective methods for investing in Bitcoin, such as using exchanges and peer-to-peer platforms, as well as the advantages and disadvantages of Bitcoin ETFs compared to direct investment. Understanding Bitcoin is crucial in today's digital economy, as it presents unique opportunities for both new and experienced investors. By grasping the mechanics of Bitcoin transactions and the significance of investment strategies, you can make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, we encourage you to take action by subscribing to our channel and liking the video. Your support helps us create more valuable content for you. Additionally, feel free to share this video with friends or family who might be interested in learning about Bitcoin and its investment potential. For those eager to expand their knowledge further, be sure to explore our related content, where we dive deeper into other investment options for beginning investors. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.